Hey everyone, today we are making something that is fairly new to Magic Kingdom and I just had to try it. It is the Triple B Burger from Cosmic Rays. This burger has such unique, indulgent toppings. It's bacon, cherry Cola BBQ sauce, crispy fried onions, and cheddar cheese spread on a brioche bun. It is perfect for summertime grilling and would be great for Father's Day this weekend. So let's go get started. So to make the cherry Cola BBQ sauce, I have a small saucepan and I'm adding 1.5 cups of ketchup, a 7.5 ounce can of cherry cola, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And we're just going to turn the heat on to medium and cook this until it comes to a boil and gets nice and thick. This does make a big batch of barbecue sauce, but you can absolutely store it in the refrigerator for about a week in a mason jar and it goes great on everything. So for the cheddar cheese spread, it's basically like a pimento cheese. In my food processor, I have a 1/4 cup of mayo, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And then I'm just blending that until it's nice and smooth. Okay, now it's time to assemble. So I have 2 brioche buns and I'm adding some of the cream cheese spread on the bottom. Then the burger patties, cooked however you'd like them. And then I'm topping each of the burgers with some of the barbecue sauce, 2 strips of bacon, and then on the top bun, I'm putting a little bit more of the barbecue sauce and some of the French fried onions. You know, like the stuff you have for green bean casserole on Thanksgiving? So good. And that's it. They are ready to go. You can easily make about 8 to 10 burgers with the cheese spread and barbecue sauce. We just had a lot of leftovers in the fridge, but you can make as many burgers as you'd like. And there we have it, our beautiful Triple B burger. It was such a delicious, unique combination of flavors, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it really does help support my channel. And if you want to see more fun Disney recipes in the future, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!